The Galaxy Watch 5 will be disappointing. Yes, this is the news from Ice Universe on Twitter, who says that Galaxy Watch 5 will be much uglier than the competition in the market. According to him, Galaxy Watch 5 will have much bigger bezels when compared to Apple Watch Series 7. Samsung this time is going to kill the iconic mechanical rotating bezel on Galaxy Watch 5, and they will use a touch bezel for that rotating function, just like on the regular Galaxy Watch 4. This is done in order to reduce the weight of smartwatch and increase the battery size to 572 mAh. According to some sources, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be just like TicWatch Pro 3 in terms of design with a rotating touch bezel. So this is the image shared by Ice Universe for bezels on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I think so renders are always ugly. We have to wait a bit more for the real Galaxy Watch 5 images, so we can tell that if Samsung has done something right or wrong. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This one is from Yosash Watch Faces, available under the name of Yosash A400 on Google Play Store and Samsung Galaxy Store. Galaxy Watch 3 or Tizen users can check out the link down in the description for free coupons, while Galaxy Watch 4 users can comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Talking about the watch face design, it is elegant and simple. We have this nice looking dark theme with this watch face. Our time is highlighted in the center, while step counter and calories burnt are present here at the top. Also, this watch face has dual time present here, so you have to just tap on it and now choose your desired region. And if you want to customize this watch face, just long press on it and now tap on customize. Here first of all you can change the background color. So right now you can see that color is changing. Then you can change the color of time present here in the center. And next we have some settings for complications in the background. So this is Yosash A400, available on Google Play Store and Samsung Galaxy Store. Now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode on this watch face has a nice looking blue lume color, while the rest of the background is kind of dimmed down to conserve battery life. And if I double tap on the watch face, all the colors will be back. So this was the watch face for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.